Nggak ada ya. Ya airnya biar
I heard you calling on the microphone. You wanna see me
luas ya.
all
Luasnya memang kalian mengetahui ya.
as legend has it, you are quite the pyro.
Udah ya, santai.
Blow. And if you'd never call for me, I might have drowned in the melancholy.
Tanaman dari
I swore my
sini.
loyalty to
Assalamualaikum
me.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Halo sobat Putar. Jadi hari ini adalah hari kedua kami magang dan barusan banget kami hari ini baru membahas tentang sayur-sayuran. Nah sekarang kami mau praktek gimana sih nanam sayur kangkung. Yuk ikuti keseruan kami. Itu gimana apa ini? Nanam ini benih-benih. Wah udah tahu loh sekarang. Udah. Ini prakteknya kayak gini sini. Jadi kayak gini, ininya kan ada garis-garisnya. Nah, tinggal gini aja di garis-garisnya. Wah, ya udah.
The eldest daughter of a nobleman, Ophelia lived in fantasy. But love was a cold bed full of scorpions. The venom stole her sanity.
Ya, di tanaman ada
You never
kita juga ada ada.
I might have lingered in purgatory. You wrap around me like a chain, a crown, a vine, pulling me into the fire. All that time I sat alone in my tower. You were just haunting your powers. Now I can see it all. Late one night, you took me out of my grave and saved my heart from the fate of Ophelia. To your hands, your team, your vibes. Don't care where the hell you've been. 'Cause now your mind it's about to be the sleepless night you've been dreaming of. The fate of Ophelia is locked inside my memory, and only you possess the key. No longer drowning and deceived, all because you came for me. Locked inside my memory, and only you possess the key. No longer drowning and deceived, all because you came for me.